Well, today's argument was all about whether we, as representatives of DACA students, Georgia residents who qualify for in-state tuition, have a right to even move forward with our case based upon the doctor's sovereign immunity, which basically says you can't sue the state for any reason whatsoever unless the state says you can. It was obviously an oral argument that got mixed results, mixed responses from the justices, several clearly in our favor, several clearly against, and we don't know what's going to happen at the end of the day. But there's also arguments in regards to certain exceptions to the sovereign immunity doctrine, which directly impact whether the Board of Regents itself is properly following the rules when it enacts its own rules on who pays in-state tuition. And this doesn't just impact undocumented students who have deferred action from the federal government. It also impacts Georgia residents otherwise, because if the Board of Regents is not properly setting tuition rules for other Georgia residents, this means there's no way to challenge that either. So this lawsuit, this action actually has much greater meaning than just for these kids. It impacts every person and every student who wants to go to law school, wants to go to school in Georgia.